The Syndesmosis TightRope has become the implant of choice for repairing the syndesmosis. It allows for micromotion of the joint and provides a more accurate method of syndesmosis reduction compared to screws. The Syndesmosis TightRope also eliminates second surgeries for hardware removal and may allow for earlier weight bearing. The new Knotless Syndesmosis TightRope has been improved to eliminate any knot irritation and knot slippage. When performing the procedure, a blunt hemostat can be inserted for countertension. The tightrope strands are pulled straight back to allow the fibula to naturally find the fibula incisura. The sutures are cut even with the button, making the Syndesmosis TightRope sit flush within the Arthrex ankle fracture plate. Syndesmosis fixation is complete.